Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to find a verified shipping company or freight forwarder in made in China shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do to go ahead and open up your made in China app. After you open up your made in China shopping app, then the next thing you want to do is to see how you can find a verified shipping company that can take your goods from made in China store to your country without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or JD.com, or Made in China, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do when you open up your Made in China app, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the search right here and then click on search. And then what you want to do right here is to go ahead and type in freight forwarder to Nigeria and hit search. So in a few seconds, you see all available shipping company that can ship direct from China to Nigeria. The more you scroll down, the more you see them right here. Now, for you to contact any one of them, what you want to do is to simply go ahead and then click on their link right here. I'm going to open up this particular store right here. So when you open up the store, then you can see this particular store here has been on Made in China since 2009. They have been here for a very long time. Then you can scroll down and read details about them. They are into a sea freight agent service. So full containerized, LLCL containerized, and then the destination for this is Nigerian. You can scroll down and read detail. So transit time 15 to 30 days and the 5,000 CBM per day. So you can scroll down and read detail about this particular shipping company right here. Just like so. So once you are done with everything about the shipping company, if you want to hire them for your next shipment, then you have to make sure you click on chat now right here to talk to the shipping company. However, their MOQ is 1 CBM. So you have to bear in mind of that. Okay, now let's go back to the search right here. And then here we can change, let's say for instance, I want to ship from China through Made in China to America. Just type in freight forwarder to USA and hit search. And in a few seconds, you see all available freight forwarder that can ship from Made in China to USA direct. You can see all their different companies right here. So let's say for instance we want to go ahead and check on this particular Amazon FBA DPPC. So click on it and it's going to open up. Then you can see this particular company here has been made in China since 2024. So they are also full containerized and then LCC. And the total supply so far has been given right here. You can scroll down here and read detail about this particular company right here, just like so. So for you to contact them, just click on chat now and then start a conversation with this particular shipping company right here. And their MOQ is just one piece. There is no minimum of what you can ship with them, which simply means that even if you are shipping a 1 kg goods, they can ship it to you direct into the United States, just like so. They are into air and sea shipping, then Amazon FBA and the shipping agent, as the case may be. Let's go back, and they are located in China. So we want to change to Canada. So Canada. So if you are shipping to Canada, just add Canada, and then you can go on our own and change to different country as the case may be, just like so. So you have all the results for people that can ship from China to Canada through Made in China. The more you scroll down, the more you see their details right here. So we can go ahead and click on this one right here, and then you have them right here. And this particular shipping company MOQ starts from 100 kg. Okay, which simply means that whatever you want to ship must be above 100 kg before they can consider to ship your goods. and they have been in made in China since 2023, and they have been audited, which simply means that they have been verified on made in China. Scroll down and read detail about this particular shipping company right here. If you want to use them for your next shipment from China to Canada, just go ahead and click on chat now and start make inquiry from this particular shipping company. It's that simple. You can use this method to get any shipping company direct from China to anywhere in the world using made in China. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use made in China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.